Hello all, in this video we will discuss about R programming concepts. It is one of the important business analytic tool that can use for each and every organization. It is a programming language and it is a free software environment used for the business analysis with visualization. It was created by Ross Ihaka and Robert Gentleman at the University of Auckland, New Zealand. The R software widely used by the data scientist, business analyst and business intelligence. It is used by major companies like Facebook, Airbnb, Google used for analysis. Through the analysis, we can make better solutions for business growth. It is made up of the collection of libraries specially designed for the analysis. It is very easy to install and nowadays we are using R Studio created by John Chambers. Let's understand the reasons to learn R programming. If you need an improvement in your business, usage of R software is very essential to achieve a goal. It performs a wide variety of functions such as data manipulation, data visualization, and statistical modeling. R is a low-level programming language, very easy to learn because it makes harder things to easy. It provides quality plotting and graphing for data. It is platform independent and it is used for machine learning purposes. And lastly, it has continuous growth. Let's see the applications of R programming software. It has a wide range of applications in various fields. Here I am introducing some major applications that are finance, banking, healthcare, social media, e-commerce and manufacturing field. So first thing is finance. Data science that is widely used in the financial industry for the analysis, risk management and visualization. Then banking. It is used for risk analysis, customer quality, customer segmentation and retention. And then come to healthcare, it is heavy usage of R. The fields are genetics, bioinformatics and drug discovery. Then social media. It is used for the analysis of segmenting potential customers and targeting them for selling your products. Then manufacturing. Most of the manufacturing companies uses this software to find out the customer sentiment and customer interest. And lastly, e-commerce. It is one of the most important sectors of data science that can be used with our software because the e-commerce company deals with the various forms of data that are structured and unstructured data varying from data sources like spreadsheets, databases. It helps for analyzing the cross-selling products to their customers. We can suggest additional products for the customers. This type of analysis and recommendations can find out by R. For example, if we are owning an e-commerce website for your business, in that you can get various forms of data from different sources. If you are using R software for the analysis, it helps us to find out suggestions and recommendations. It will help us to achieve our business goal. As a student, professional and reader, you should have some basic computer knowledge and programming knowledge. This will help you to learn quickly. Basically, R is very useful, we can learn quickly and it is specially designed for the analysis, statistical analysis and visualizations. It can be used by data scientist, business analyst and the business intelligence analyst. Through the analysis, it helps for the business growth of the organization in various fields. It helps to find out future trends in our business. Now let's understand what is R programming language. The R programming language is actually a program for statistical computation traditionally used between statisticians intended for producing statistical applications as well as graphics. It offers many other things, a good programming language, high-level graphic interfaces to additional languages and debugging services. The source code to get them for all our application ecosystem is usually written mainly through C. Fortran as well as R is usually openly available under the GNU, that is General Public License, and pre-compiled binary variations which will be presented to numerous operating systems. R is a scripting language that supports several statistical analysis techniques, machine learning models and graphical visualizations for data analysis. It is an open source programming language with large community support available. R programming language is easy to learn and implement. Several built-in functions and support packages are available to create an efficient R program, data models and graphical charts. This language is a very popular and most preferred language by statisticians and data scientists for research and analytics. R language supports cross-platform portability and multiple operating systems. R programming scripts are easy to manage through RStudio IDE. Now let's understand the R installation. We need to comply with three fundamental steps in our similar way to attempt to operate R and R Studio on our system. So first set up R, then install R Studio and install R packages and R descriptive stats. R, SAS and SPSS will be three statistical languages. Of those three statistical languages, one is just an accessible source. SAS is a vital private application business on the globe. IBM currently oversees SPSS. Our program are extensible and therefore our teams will be known due to their dynamic efforts. There's plenty of R included that can be written in R by itself and so forth. It offers get faster and good glue language. Now let's understand the features of R programming. R comes under the most popular programming languages for learning data science. It has advanced features that have enabled R to become one of the most widely used programming languages. R has several features which have contributed towards its overall popularity. Okay, first thing is comprehensive language. R is a comprehensive programming language, meaning that it provides services for statistical modeling as well as for software development. R is the primary language for data science as well as for developing web applications through its robots package RShiny. R is also an object-oriented programming language which is an addition to its procedure programming feature. And second point is provides a wide array of packages. R is most widely used because of its wide availability of libraries. R has CRAN, which is a repository holding more than 10,000 packages. These packages appeal to every functionality and different fields that deal with data. Based on user requirements and preferences, these packages provide different features to their users. Then possesses a number of graphical libraries. The most important feature of R that sets it apart from other programming languages, it is massive collection of graphical libraries like ggplot2, plotly, etc. that are capable of making aesthetic and quality visualization. And then open source. R is an open source programming language. This means that is free of cost and requires no license. Then cross-platform compatibility. R supports cross-platform compatibility. It can be run on any operating system in any software environment. It can also be run on any hardware configurations without any extra workarounds. The next point is facilities for various industries. Almost every industry that makes use of data utilizes R language. While only the academic areas made use of R is and past, it is now being heavily used for industries that require to mine insights from the data. The health industry makes use of R for drug design and analyzing generic strands. Manufacturing industries like Ford use in their optimization procedures. Then no need for a compiler. R language is interpreted instead of compiled, therefore it does not need a compiler to compile code into an executable program. Then performs fast calculations. Through R, you can perform wide variety of complex operations on vectors, arrays, data frames and other data objects of varying sizes. So it can handle all sorts of data. R provides excellent data handling and storage facilities. Then integration with other technologies. R can be integrated with a number of different technologies, frameworks, software packages and programming languages. It can be paired with Hadoop used to its distributed computing ability, and it can also be integrated with programs in other programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python and Fortran. R has an active community. R is continuously evolving. The contribution is fueled with growing number of users who are using R on a daily basis. Then machine learning with R. Earlier, R had different packages for different machine learning algorithms. This may be considered inefficient and therefore MLR package, which stands for machine learning in R, has become highly popular. So we went through the important features of R programming language. Now understand about how does R programming language make working so easy. So it is simple to learn and grasp R programming fundamentals and ideas, but to earn experience in it, you will find to perform a lot and then produce real world projects. A lot more you will perform, a lot more you will discover and earn expertise. Normally only the actual syntax and fundamental features are known to us. So R is a better language for establishing this category of software. So that is the thing R is most effective for. Even so, this is simply not the boundaries of R performs. If you wish to build rich software programs with user interfaces or even the web mobile applications, libraries are present to help R coders with tasks. So first point is business product sales analysis automation. It is common to discover that firms continue to perform many analytics applying spreadsheets. Absolutely nothing is wrong with that. However, some of frequently not achieving their analytical possibilities as they are not applying tools like R. Next point is automated validation solutions. Searching continuously through the database get imperfect and incorrect data, outliers specifying worrying patterns, suggesting potential scams. It could be easily planned by simply cron, for instance. Then cryptocurrency property tracker. Because of the R community tradition continues to be made up of people without special experience in computer science or general development, I frequently observe the R program without great usage of object-oriented programming or without correct optimization expert if it is for professional use. Then last point is what can you do with R programming language? R is an amazing extensive statistical bundle. Although you may have simply considered regular R circulation, it are just about everything you require for data treatment, creation and statistical analysis as well as anything else. There is a lot more than 5k percentage of CRAN in various repositories as well as big data's potential trend of our business. Therefore, it's difficult task to plan a list of all the things R can do, but we have produced an attempt by this set of R language which includes a whole new section around innovation analytics website, and it can be split up into our 4 primary sections: analytics, graphics, visualization, R application and plugins and programming language features, every using their personal subsections. So let's see the advantages of R programming language. R is an open source application, therefore any individual may use and alter it. R is among the most extensive statistical analysis bundle since it is a new technology as well as a suggestion that often appears in initial R. So R is definitely free. We could work with any place and any moment and promote it under conditions with license. R is useful for GNU or Linux and Microsoft Windows. R can be cross-platform which usually operates on various operating systems. Bug repairs, program enhancements and innovative packages are available through R. Now let's understand why should we use the R programming language. It is utilized in nearly all the fields you can imagine, even though popular kinds consist of finance, biotechnology, supply chain, sports activities, retail, advertising and production. So first is executing multiple computations with vectors. R is actually a vector-based language. Vectors are list-like structures that contain items for the same data type. You can imagine a vector like row or column to do with figure or text. Checklist of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 might be vector. In contrast to other programming languages, R enables you to make use of functions towards the entire vector within a procedure with no need to get an explicit loop. You need to show vectors with a few actual R program. First, assign the value 2 to 5 to a vector as known as X. Next, add the value 5 with each element in vector X. And then you should also add one vector to different. If you want to add 8 to 10 element wise values, you can use the examples below. So to achieve this in many different programming languages might need to explicit perform. So working code with a compiler. R is an interpreted language so that unlike compiled languages prefer C and Java, you do not to desire a compiler initially produce a program through your code before apply it. So next, top list of companies that uses R for analytics. So Accenture, New York Times, Facebook, Genpact and Google and Mozilla, these companies are uses R programming languages. So R is free and open source programming language allowing anybody to get access to world-class statistical evaluation tools. It can be applied extensively in academia as well as private sector, and it is most famous statistical analysis programming language nowadays. So this has been a guide to what is R programming language, and here we will discuss the concept, learning, uses, advantages and features of R programming.